In 2022, we opened a brand new food lab that really enabled us to take what traditionally has been a very strong capability of ours and really kind of step it up a notch in some of our capabilities. One of the ways that our food lab can really help benefit our customers is enables them to actually come in and see their product run through actual nitrogen or CO2 freezing and chilling equipment. So it's powerful for a couple different ways. First, it enables them to see how nitrogen and CO2 can benefit their products. It enables them to actually see the equipment that may ultimately end up in their facility and understand how it operates more efficiently and effectively. It also enables them to kind of come in and see how we ultimately size their equipment.
Air Products is able to provide these services and equipment to a multitude of various segments in the food industry, from meat and seafood to poultry to plant-based to vegetables, even including pizza and ice cream.
One of the other things we've done is make quite an investment in our mobile food lab testing capabilities.
Our mobile foods lab is an excellent addition because it allows us to offer testing for customers that have a very specific food process that would not allow for them to ship samples to our lab in Allentown. By doing that, we're able to replicate their food process and test their products real time as they come off the line.
So the ability to offer customers two options, either in-house testing here at our headquarters in Allentown, Pennsylvania, or at the customer's location, really enables us to make sure that we are offering the right solution for our customers.
Many of our customers and prospects have found great value in our food lab as well as our mobile testing unit. Please contact Air Products to schedule a test on your product today.